Open your blueprint test if you don't have it open. You can click on Sphere in your Components panel and delete it. We won't need it anymore. Now go to Event Graph. Event Graph is place where your scripting happens. It's the place where your script will execute while your game is running. You can move it around. With right-click, you can close it. You can close tabs to the right, or close all other tabs. If you want to open it, go to My Blueprints panel and click on the Event Graph. In your graph, you can move by holding down the right mouse button. Scroll wheel to zoom in or out. You can also hold left and right mouse button at the same time to zoom in and out. If you right-click on a node, menu will open up, from which you can delete a node, duplicate it, align it, etc. If you hold left mouse button, you can select more nodes. You can select nodes that are here, mark all of them, and just delete them with Delete key on your keyboard. If you hover over empty section of your graph and right-click, menu will pop up. You can scroll down and expand and look at all the nodes that you can add in your graph. In search bar, you can type what node you are looking for. For now, in my Components panel, I will select Box. And I'll right-click on an empty space in the graph. Right now, I have Context-Sensitive Check. What this will do, it will show me some nodes that are connected to our box from our Components panel, and you can see them at the top. I'll click on Event, Collision, Add-on Component Begin Overlap. This node will fire when overlap with our box collision happens. You can drag from execution pin with left mouse button and type print string. This node will print something on screen. In this case, it will print hello. If we compile our blueprint and click play, if we overlap this box collision that we have, it should print hello in top left corner. Open your blueprint and put window like this. You can see the object name in the outliner if you have it selected. Make sure to set your debug object to be the same as the one you want to debug. Now resize your window and click play. You can see how the line is sent from overlap to print string when we overlap the box. You can see the flow of execution happening when you overlap it. Now this node on component begin overlap has few options, and one of them is other actor. It has the ability to tell us who is the other actor that overlapped it. Just left click and drag from other actor to in string where it says hello. To move nodes, just hold them with left mouse button. As you can see, one node was automatically created. This node is used to retrieve the display name of an object. It will get the name of the object that overlapped it, and it will print it to the screen. You can hold Alt and left click to remove the connection. If you hover your mouse over return value, you can see it says, returns the display name. Now connect it to inString. Compile. And play. Now when you overlap, it says, BP third person character. That's you. That's the character you are currently playing. If you have two nodes and you want to change execution, you don't have to delete them and connect them from start. You can hold Control and left click on connection, and you can simply drag it. And if you ever get lost in your graph, you can go to Graphs, expand Event Graph, and select the node you want to jump to. And if you click this plus icon next to Graphs, new event graph will be created.